Welcome back, guys and dear students. We have a beautiful image on the screen where a girl is wearing a beautiful dress, and we are going to put a beautiful background according to her personality and face. And for that purpose, as you know, we have to remove the previous background, and now we could put a new and an awesome background on the image, guys. Here, such kinds of a background could be chosen for the pictures like these ones. Now guys, I could also select the background from here. Like there are a lot of backgrounds options are available on the image. From that screen, guys, I have to choose that one background to put on the pictures like these ones. So that is